Welcome to One Little Coder. In this video, we are going to see how to create a machine learning model that uses computer vision to detect whether you are touching your face or not. In this time of coronavirus spreading, this is a project that was initially initiated by the Keros founder on Twitter, and that tweet has given inspiration to a lot of projects. One of the projects that I recently came across is by Krish Kumar, and his project is based on PyTorch and YOLO v3. So in this project, we are not going to use any programming, but we are going to use the training images that he has collected. Thanks, Krish Kumar, for collecting the training images for us. So in this video, what we are going to do is we are going to build the machine learning model without even touching a single line of code, and that is we are going to do using Teachable machine with Google. So Google has some time back created this project that will help you teach a machine, and it also gives you the output model in variety of ways. So if you want it to be a TensorFlow Lite for your edge devices, you can download it. If you want it to be a TensorFlow.js for a website, so you can download it, or if you want a normal TensorFlow file, you can still download it. So what we are going to do in this video is we are going to use the Teachable machine web interface, and we are going to build a machine learning model that will ultimately help us detect if someone is touching their face or not with a picture. So this is just going to use a picture, but you can do the same thing with the videos. Just you have to have the respective training data set. So let us get started first, and then see what are all Google is asking us. So it's an image project, and you can see that you need to have class 1 images, class 2 images. You can use your webcam, which is not I'm going to do, but in this case we are going to use static images that we have downloaded from internet. So once we have two class of images, then we can train our model, and then we can export our model. So let us go ahead and see our images. So some of the images that I'm using is downloaded by Krish Kumar, and some is downloaded by me, and we just used Google images for it. So first we are going to have a folder of images where it is all about people touching their faces. So if you want, I can just increase the size. Yeah, so it's all people touching their faces, different images, and then we have got the other set of images where people are not touching their faces. This is quite less, but it's okay. So this is just for demo, and we are going ahead with that. But if you want to put a model in production, please make sure that you have got enough training data set. And we are going to test it with two images. One is where no the person is not touching the face, the other one is where the person is touching the face. So given that this is our training in one class and training second class, and then the test, we are going to get started with our model building activity. So let's call the class 1 face touch. Let's call the second one no touch, and then let us upload the images from you have the ability to upload it from Drive, but here we are uploading it from local images. So we are going to go to the place where we have got our images, demo images, face touch, select all, open. And then in second class is no touch, upload from images, go back, no touch, select everything, open. So now that we have got both the classes, one is the face touch, one is no touch, let's train the model. Training the model shouldn't take a lot of time. In this case, I think when I tried, it took a few minutes. Let's see how long it takes. In case if you are thinking that if this is just a by classification option, you can have multiple classification, multiple class for your target variable. You just have to add a class. So it's just asking me if I want to allow my webcam. So I'm saying no, don't do it. So I'm just going to use a file, and in this case our model is successfully trained. We have options to export our model, but before that, let us see how the model is working. So click the image. We don't want to touch anything from our training. So just to let you know that none of the testing images that we are using is from our training. Okay, so the testing image is completely to random image. So let's pick this guy without touching the face. So it's saying 81% not touching the face, so that is good. So our machine learning model is working fine. So let us try the other image, which is the person touching the face. and it's saying 100% the image is touching the face. So if you want, we can go to Google and then try one more image. So let's say person, not person face, and let's download this image. Sorry, this image looks nice. Let's download this image. Oh, we have a lot of images. Let's save images inside demo images test, and let's pick one person touching face. One more. Which one is better? So in this case, let's take this one. Save as frustrated man demo images test. Okay, I didn't know where did I save it, so I'm just going to save it again. Yeah, it's there. So let's go back to our testing and go to the images that we wanted to select. So let's pick this man who doesn't. Oh, it's an invalid image type. Oh, that's bad. Okay, so let's just select this man and see what happens. Man touching face. So it's 100% it is saying that the man is touching the face. Man person face. Let's try it with the girl. Okay, in this case, this one. And let's go to our model, pick the image. Okay, this shows how the model is not doing good. This again shows why it is very important for you to train your model very well. And again, you have a lot of hyperparameter tuning available for you. So you can increase the learning rate to speed up the process. You can increase the epoch, you can increase the batch size, you can play around with these data in order to play around with these parameters in order to change the model building process. But I think you get the gist of it. The objective of this video is to introduce you teachable machine, and then how can you train a machine learning model for computer vision problem, especially computer vision problem, without touching a single line of code. So once you're done with all of these things, so let's pick one final image and then see how the image is doing. Sorry, I picked the same image again. Oh, it's 52%. So model is doing decent. It's not worse, but it is doing decent. But yeah, it requires a lot of fine tuning, more training data before even we move to production. So this is only for educational purpose. So how do we export a model? Click export a model. So you get a bunch of options. So there are two ways. One, you can download your model locally. Second, you can let Teachable machine website to host your model on cloud. In this case, you can just refer it online. So you have three ways to download your model. One is tensorflow.js. Second one is TensorFlow, where you can use it with a typical Python script if you want to do it with the automation or Raspberry Pi or whatever it is. So TensorFlow.js if you are going to host it on a website, TensorFlow Lite if you want to use it on an Android device or any kind of edge device. So it gives you a TF Lite. So yeah, so then that's the main thing of this video, where we picked up some training images and then we built a model that detects whether someone is touching their face or not. So in this time of crisis, don't touch your face and maintain social distancing. And I hope you stay healthy and also have some fun with machine learning. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.